So let's discuss about the development of the interatrial septum. As we all know, the development of interatrial take place at the 5th week of intrauterine, right? Usually during the advent of or the last of the 4th week, we can see there is a development of a septa. There is a primary septa that called septum primum developing between the right atrium and the left atrium, and the growth of this septum primum will be from the root of atria up to towards the sinoatrial opening towards the AV cushion. But this growth is not complete. There is a gap between the septum and the AV cushion, and that foramen is called by the name foramen primum, and this will be helping the right to left shunting of the blood, so there is no pulmonary circulation there. After that, we can see there is a growth of the septum primum towards the AV cushion, and there is closure of this septum primum, and there is formation of another foramen called the foramen secundum on the upper part, and further there is an additional septum arising here. That septum is called by the name septum secundum and is located towards the right of the septum primum. So there is flow from the right atria to the left atria is facilitated through an opening here called foramen ovale. It acts as a valve to prevent the backflow of the blood from the left atrium towards the right atrium. So there is closure of foramen primum, and there is fusion of septum primum and the AV cushion, and formation of foramen secundum, and formation of foramen ovale. And after that, there is birth. There is advent of the pulmonary circulation. After the advent of the pulmonary circulation, there is an increase in the pressure in the left side. There is increased return to the left atria. So there is on the forced closure of this foramen ovale is happening by the approximation of this left primum, septum and secundum, and the septum primum will be flooring the floor of fossa ovalis, and the lower margin of septum secundum will be forming the annulus fossa ovalis.